greetings. In Urdu, we say hello, hello. In Chinese, we say 你好, 你好. In English, we say hello, hello. In Urdu, we say Subah bakhair, Subah bakhair. In Chinese, we say 早上好, 早上好. In English, we say good morning, good morning. In Urdu, we say dopaher bakhair, dopaher bakhair. In Chinese, we say 下午好, 下午好. In English, we say good afternoon, good afternoon. In Urdu, we say sham bakhair, sham bakhair. In Chinese, we say 晚上好, 晚上好. In English, we say good evening, good evening. In Urdu, we say shab bakhair, shab bakhair. In Chinese, we say 晚安, 晚安. In English, we say good night, good night. In Urdu, we say khush amdeed, khush amdeed. In Chinese, we say 欢迎, 欢迎. In English, we say welcome, welcome. In Urdu, we say aapka din acha ho, aapka din acha ho. In Chinese, we say 祝你愉快, 祝你愉快. In English, we say have a nice day, have a nice day. In Urdu, we say phir milenge, phir milenge. In Chinese, we say 待会儿见, 待会儿见. In English, we say see you later, see you later. In Urdu, we say kal mulaqat hogi, kal mulaqat hogi. In Chinese, we say 明天见, 明天见. In English, we say see you tomorrow, see you tomorrow. In Urdu, we say alwida, alwida. In Chinese, we say 再见, 再见. In English, we say goodbye, goodbye. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And press the notification bell to get more updates on our videos.